Alright, you are welcome back. Now we'll be talking about the perspective tool. Very interesting. Perspective tool will help you to tilt, move your image in a very unique way. Now look at the way this look here. I'm already seeing arrow signs on my image. If I move my hand to the top, okay, so before, let me bring in another image so we can, that is clearer, something clearer, so that we can actually see. Let me just bring in this one. So come to perspective. Now they're having some cool filters here. I will explain this one in a bit. So this, the way you want it to be, this is rotate. If I in the rotation, if I want to rotate it this way, okay, it's going to rotate. If you see, Snapseed actually helped me use its intelligence in correcting those blank layers. Okay, if I click on OK, see the image will now turn a bit. So just come to undo. You can see it actually corrected that one. So that is for rotating. Okay, let me just use tilting. Now this tilt, if I move my hand here, no, Snapseed, and I click on this check mark. Okay, let me just undo it. Come back to perspective. I move my hand here like this. Maybe I felt, okay, I want to tilt it this way. This is how the real image should look like. So Snapseed is going to use its intelligence to correct. You can see it has, you can see it has actually balanced, that corrected this. It has helped me in using its intelligence to fill those empty space. You can see it has actually filled it with trees using its own intelligence. But I'll just come here and undo this. I don't want this. So now this is scale. It doesn't actually go like that. This tilt, if I move it like this too, so it actually fills that place automatically. You can use it to correct image. You can use it to maybe straighten an image too. But so we'll not be talking. Okay, scale. Just help me to. You don't want to move this one too much. Still the same function. Alright, so helps me straighten that image. Then for free, I'm moving it this way. Okay, so now you need to be careful. You see the way Snapseed is doing things at times, it's just tamper with some of the function which you really don't want to avoid. Some of the image, some parts in the image, it doesn't actually has this level of intelligence to feel. It's not that intelligent enough to feel those empty space itself. That's one thing of Snapseed. You'll notice some side of the image will just be occurring in a way that is not to look real. So you just make you look confused at times. So that's for this particular one. Remember, now it's set in white. When I was let me come back to tilt. Let me move it here. You can see here now. Look at this side. Beside on the base of the image, it is not filling itself again, but it's having white. Look at this place. It's just having white, like white background reflecting there. Is because I changed this. If I change it to black, it has changed to black. But if I put it in smart, it's going to use its intelligence to fill up that other space. Now when I came to this, is automatically it's auto adjust. Let's just go back and come back to perspective. Click on this auto adjust. So it's trying to adjust this image. You can, this tool helps us in straightening an image. Snapseed is telling us, okay, this image doesn't look straight, so it uses intelligence to straighten this image. And when, if I put it in, you can see the way it's straightened. Those sides are kind of white, but if I put it in smart, it's going to use its intelligence to fill the remaining space for me. But I told you it's not that intelligent enough. Look at this side, we're having trees here on the road, so that's what I mean, it's not that intelligent enough. So the AI is not really working very well there. So I guess that's all for the perspective tool. We see in the next one.